In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can withdraw your money from Prizepicks. Now, this can be done on your PC on their website, or it can be done on your phone on their app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but to start with, you want to head over to Prizepicks. From there, you'll see a page that looks something like this, and in order to withdraw your money, you're going to actually have to log into your account first. So you can go up to the top right corner and click this login button, and just sign into your account. From there, you'll be signed in and it will look something like this, and you should actually be able to see your balance in the top right corner. Now, as long as you do have some money in there, that means you will be able to actually withdraw that money, as long as you do meet all the requirements. So in order to start withdrawing it, we can go up to the top right corner, and we just want to look for this icon, which should be our two initials of our name. So we can click this to open it up, and from there we get a whole bunch of different options. But since we're trying to withdraw our money from Prizepicks, we want to go down to this option, which is actually request removal. Now, if you haven't yet verified your ID, you will have to do that first, and it will only take a couple minutes. So you only will need your government ID and your smartphone, and you can click get started to go ahead and do that first. But once you have done that, you're now ready to withdraw your money from Prizepicks. So you'll see a page that looks something like this, and you'll be able to see how much you can withdraw at the top, as well as your withdrawal requests here, and the requirements to withdraw. So as you can see, they say you need at least one playthrough of deposit and promo before you can withdraw. And also the minimum withdrawal amount is $1. So all you have to do is put in a withdrawal request as long as you meet those requirements. And then once that status gets approved, you can actually choose to withdraw this, and it will get processed using instant bank transfer or via a direct debit card payment to one of your previous deposit methods. Now, if you're having trouble withdrawing, I recommend you come over to this page because they will actually answer your questions as to why it might be failing. But if you've read through this and you're still having trouble, what I would recommend to do is go up to the top and click on Help Center, and then you can simply come over to this button that says Live Support, and then from there you'll be able to chat to a real person using their 24/7 live support, and you can tell them the issues you're having with trying to withdraw your money and it failing, but hopefully you don't have to go through this process, because I hope that you did manage to withdraw it successfully. So that's how you can withdraw your money from Prizepicks. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see some more content like this. Thanks for watching.